Hi, Colleen Gerberis here with James Buckner with the Eco Pool Drain Wastewater Fountain.
So if you use a sand or cartridge filter for your pool, this is the product for you.
Its exclusively patented design makes all other waste and dump wastewater obsolete. No more wrestling around and dragging that slimy 100-foot hose across your driveway to dump into the nearest stormwater sewer, which is harmful to the environment and in many cases illegal.
So disposing of wastewater with Eco Pool Drain Wastewater Fountain is as easy as the flip of a switch.
Just turn your filter to waste and leave the rest of the work to your eco.
When the eco's finished, just turn off your pump and put it back to the filtering position and you're done.
The Eco Pool Drain Wastewater Fountain is self-draining and easy to store at just 21 inches in diameter.
It's light enough to just carry on your fingertips, get sturdy enough, and built to last.
So forget about dealing with that never-ending, messed-up kink of a hose. Our fountain is eco-friendly, conserves water, and installs in only minutes.
Let's face it, it's the missing part to your pool. Once you use the Eco Pool Drain Wastewater Fountain, you'll never want to own a pool without one again.